This is a remote learning initiative by Shed Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE Board, New Delhi, located in Vasai, Mumbai in the state of Maharashtra, India. Myself, Shoma Banerjee. This session is for Junior KG, subject English, topic cursive capital letter C. Children, today I will teach you cursive capital C. You have already learned cursive A and cursive B. So I will teach you cursive capital C. But before that, let me tell you this story. The cat, see, this is the cat, was playing near a castle. This is the castle. It's a large building where king and emperor lives. She saw a camel. See, this is the camel sitting over here. And a cow. This is the cow near the Christmas tree. This is the Christmas tree. You have already learned X for Xmas tree. So it is also called Christmas tree. So the cat saw a camel and a cow near this Christmas tree. She joined them and all of them enjoyed the cake, caramel and cup of coffee. She joined them and what they enjoyed? This caramel, cake and cup of coffee. Now children, we will identify the letter C from this sentence, capital C. So let's do it. The cat, now in this, it's very easy. You can easily find out. Isn't it children? Where is capital C? Here it is. Was playing near a castle. In this word, where is capital C? Here it is. She saw a camel. So in this word, where is capital C? Yes, here it is. And a cow. In this word, where is capital C hidden? Yes, here it is. Near the Christmas tree. In this, the capital C is here. Can you see? She joined them and all of them enjoyed the cake. So in this word, where is capital C? Here it is. Caramel. In this, C is over here. Cup. In this, here it is. And coffee. Where is capital C? Here it is. Understood, children? Now I will show you how to write the cursive capital C. Children, now I will show you how to write cursive C. This also you can color it. Start from here. Go up. Take a curve. Come down. And then again a small curve. In this way you will write. Now I will show you how to write in red blue lines. Now we will write in red blue lines. Start from this blue line. Go up. Touch the red line. Come down. Touch the blue line. Here also you will touch the blue line and take a small curve. Again. Go up. Take a curve. Come down. Touch the blue line. Go up. Touch the blue line and then a small curve. Now children, when you will write this cursive C, keep in mind that you will start from here, from this blue line, not from this red line. You will not write in this way and then again you will make a curve. No, it is wrong. You will start from this blue line. See how I am writing? And you will go up, you will touch the red line, then again you will come down, touch the blue line, go up, touch the blue line and take a small curve. And again I am telling you, don't lift your hand. Come down, touch the blue line, again touch the blue line and small curve. Go up, come down, touch the blue line, here also touch the line and take a small curve. Your letter should be between red line to blue line. Now we will write here. Go up, touch the red line, come down, touch the blue line, here also touch the blue line and small curve. Again we will write. Go up, touch the red line, come down, touch the blue line, go up, again touch the blue line and take a small curve. This is also very easy. Come down, touch the blue line, go up, touch the blue line, take a curve. Again we will write. Go up, come down, touch the blue line, take a curve. Understood, children? Now here these two pictures are given. What it is? You all must be knowing. Yes, it's a computer and it starts with the letter C. So here we will write C for computer. And what it is? Carom board. Yes. Are you playing? You know how to play? Okay. So here also carom board. It starts with the alphabet C. So here also we will write cursive C. Children, now you will turn the page. That is page number 224. So here also some pictures are given. What it is? Cauliflower. So the cauliflower starts with the letter C. Can you see? Here it is written C. Then coin. It also starts with the letter C. And chimpanzee. This also start with the letter C. Here also in this page we will write cursive C. Go up, touch the red line, come down, touch the blue line, again touch the blue line, take a small curve. One more line we will write. So children, you will write in this way from red line to blue line. Practice in your red blue line notebook and happy learning.